some might say I'm a bit crazy, but I had to come. It's nearly 4:30. My wildlife camera arrived from Temu, and this isn't a product review because I paid for this. I just really wanted a wildlife camera, and I could not afford the £100 ones on Amazon or wherever else you might get them from. So we're going to try out a Temu one. Jeez, oh, I tell you what, it's atrocious weather today. Absolutely, the wind, crazy. It's starting to get dark, but oh, and it's not cold. It's just the wind's a bit sharp, but it's. I mean, I've been undecorating the house, you know, getting all the Christmas tree stuff off and getting rid of the Christmas tree and all that kind of stuff. I always do it on the 2nd of Jan. The 1st of Jan's always a bit much. Can't do anything that day. Oh boy, so we're going to set up the camera and see what we can catch. Hopefully something, you know. I'll come back tomorrow to have a look. Wow, I'll tell you what, it's so windy. I'm not going to go into the shed or anything like that. We're just going to, oh look at that, it has rained a lot. Wow, that's really nearly filled it up. The water butt will be full. Oh my gosh, look at my it's leaning tower. Oh no, oh my, yeah, it's really windy. Okay, right, let's get this camera set up. I'm just going to put it down. I'm going to make this a really easy. It's going to be a bit, the camera's going to move about a bit, but I really don't want to. Minimal editing, as they say. I was thinking of strapping it there, sort of directly opposite the pond area and anything else, you know. So let me just put you to the side. You might fall over because it is so windy. Right. It did come in a really neat box. Which I'll put there. All wrapped. Oh, and it also came with an SD card, which actually is fantastic. I have already put batteries in it. Oops, I just need to put the SD card in, which I can't do one-handed, so I'll bear with. It's not raining, thankfully. And come, it's £23 for a wildlife camera and an SD card is amazing. It comes with a strap as well. Oh, SD card comes in a little case like that. Yeah. Right, I'm just going to put that in. Oh. You might have heard it pinged. Oh, I'm so annoyed. I've been on my hands and knees. It's in there somewhere. It pinged out. Oh, word to the wise, don't do this. Put this SD card in before you go out in conditions like this. What I'm gonna do is borrow the SD card from this camera, stick it in the wildlife camera because I don't want to waste the time. I've left my glasses, so I really can't see because it's such a small little thing. It's so, I have to try and retrieve it. Oh, what an idiot. Never mind. I'm going to come back tomorrow and try and find it. I can't, it's just too dark and I haven't got my glasses. It's like looking for a needle in a haystack. I'm just going to hope, I might put the chair over it, the area that I think it's in, the grassy bits, and come back tomorrow and try and find it. So I will see you tomorrow with hopefully some wildlife pictures. And we can have a look, another look at the camera in the shed. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Wish me luck for finding that flipping SD card. Bye.